just wanted to make sure the music worked. This is Brindley. Brindley is going to sing the solo for us. This is our last piece tonight. I hope you've enjoyed the concert. Thank you so much for being here. We have All-State Chorus auditions coming up a week from Saturday, so make sure that's on your calendar. Raise your hand if you're trying out for All-State. So many people tried out for All-State. Super excited about that. Yes. Yes. And have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Cheap, fake, easy to break. It's how I used to be. Here, take it. Now I'm awake. I'll tell you what I see. Plastic don't shine, glitter don't shine, rhinestones don't shine the way you do. You are so real.